Oh my God, it is snowing and we are out here in it. And we're not even in four-wheel drive. Welcome back, y'all. So we are going to pick up Miss Key from work in the snow. Yup. So we are doing 30 miles an hour right now. Let's flip the camera around and I'm gonna show you. So this is what it's looking like, y'all. If we're supposed to get 10 inches of snow. Supposedly. We do got four-wheel drive down there. We do got it, but we're not using it right now. To be honest with you, I don't even know if the four-wheel drive works. I never tried it. But we are in the Keymobile, single cab. You got to be real careful when you're driving in the snow. Make sure you brake early and everything, because you don't want your vehicle gliding into another vehicle. You got to go real slow around the turns. Because look, I'm sliding, okay? I'm sliding a little more. Okay, I'm still sliding. And it looks like we straightened out. So now we good again. But look at that. Ain't no mowing today. It ain't no mowing, ain't no leaves. People that's where I'm from, people that live down here probably know where we at. Did somebody get pulled over? We gotta be real careful. Oh, see, I'm sliding. Woo! You hit a little bit of gas, you is sliding. And like I said, we are not in four-wheel drive. That lane in, so let me get over. But yeah, don't want to speed down this road either. They will pull you over. You will get pulled over quick, but this is the outlet. Woo, that snow hurt my hand. This is a different type of video too. I usually don't vlog, but we vlogging. Let's wait till we get to Miss Key. Well, guess who we picked up? Miss Key.
Miss Key in the snow.
I know y'all ain't seen her in a while.
Don't make me nervous.
As you can see, y'all, the snow.
As you can see, Joe Cutter driving.
In the Keymobile.
In the Keymobile. I ain't want to drive. This is crazy.
Anybody mind? Let me see that. So this is the snow, y'all. The Keymobile. So you know we ain't lying. You know we ain't lying. I can't get out here. I can't walk too much. I'll slip and fall.
Exactly. Get out here act a fool. Right on there. I'm holding it, babe. And he on his phone. Like, come on now. That's how accidents happen.
I was on my phone coming up there. Traction control.
It's on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay.
Look at that. You feel it?
Yes.
Then you gotta be careful up here, y'all.
Yeah, it's
Cause it's a ditch on that side over there once you get further down here.
It's a ditch on both sides.
But yeah.
And
it's a sharp little turn up here.
I was about to say, and the side leans a little bit. This is, woo, they is just flying in that Nissan.
They probably got all-wheel drive, that's why.
Well,
I was messing with it.
I sure appreciate Mr. Cutter, because I will not be driving in this type of weather. I'm sorry to say. People can't, the Virginia people can't drive in the rain. I know they can't drive in the snow, and I ain't trying to be the one driving. I'm scared.
Actually, ain't that many cars out here.
Which is a good thing.
Like I thought it was going to be.
Which is a good thing, because these people drive a little crazy. A little crazy.
We up to 35.
Well, how bad y'all think it's gonna be?
About 10 inches.
10 inches.
I'm the only person that drive in the snow with the window down.
Yeah, because it's already cold, and you got the window down. It is 25 degrees out here, y'all. 25 degrees, and he riding with the window down.
I was cold, but once I got in the truck, I was fine. Then I got all the snow, because both our trucks was covered in snow already.
Did you put the windshields up? The wipers, the windshield wipers.
So I had already, I already warmed myself up, because I was out here with my with the leaf thing. It's in the bed of the truck. Whew. Key-Mobile did good in two-wheel drive, y'all. Look at all this ice. Look at that. Can't really show you where we live at. You ain't about to be pulling up to my house. But all right, lock it. Oh man. Oh yeah, let me put the wipers up, y'all. Okay, we let little Bella out, y'all. See, she running in the snow. Look at her. Oh. Oh, she peeing. Now, the last time it snowed like this, it snowed earlier this year. It was what you call it? I think it was 2 to 3 inches. This snow right here is going to be around 8 to 10 inches, which is a lot. But yeah, this is it, people. Almost look like it's Christmas, but it ain't Christmas. So, and there go the Cuttermobile full of snow. As you can see, I actually brought a snow shovel. It's gonna be a lot of snow, and the snow be messing up your seals right here, if anybody didn't know that. Because last time we went in the truck, I had to take Miss Key to work. We went in the truck and it was snow inside the truck. Sure was. It was snow in it. So yeah. But yeah, we back down here, and we got little Bella in the snow. Look at her. It's a running little dog, y'all. She loved to run. Look at her. I'm still debating if I want to either ride a dirt bike or I want to drive the F-150 in the snow in the field, because I know a field where you can turn up at.